Hi guys, if you want to pin this PC to taskbar in Windows 11 like this, then let's see how to do it. To pin this PC to taskbar, first of all right click anywhere on the desktop, simply right click and then go to new and then click on shortcut option. And now here, simply type this code. I have given this code in the description below. You can copy it from there. So simply copy it and type the code here. Here it is. And then click on next. And now here, simply type the name, this PC. Here it is. And then click on finish button. And now, this PC folder shortcut will be created. Here you have to simply right click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on change icon option. And now here, you will have to simply type this folder path. I have given this folder path in the description below. You can copy it from there. So simply copy it and paste it here. And then click on OK button. And now from here, select the this PC icon. Here it is. So simply select it and then click on OK. And then click on apply and OK. And now this PC icon will be changed. Now to pin this PC to taskbar here, simply right click on it and then click on show more options. And now here you will be able to see pin to taskbar option. Simply click on it. And now this PC will be pinned to your taskbar. Here you can see. And now you can easily access this PC from your taskbar. You can see. And in case after pinning this PC to taskbar, if you want to hide this PC shortcut from your desktop, for that simply right click on it and then go to properties and then go to the general tab. And here you will see the option hidden. Simply check it and then click on apply and then click on OK button. And now this PC shortcut will be hidden on your desktop. And you can easily access this PC directly from your taskbar. Here you can see, you can easily access it from here. Here it is. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily pin this PC to taskbar in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.